Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. The Kia Niro has been given a full redesign for 2023 and its look are ready to battle with the just redesigned Toyota Prius. This week, we are spending more time with the Niro Hybrid in the loaded SX Touring trim. This small electrified hatchback starts at $26,500 and offers up to 53 mpg and about 140 horsepower under the hood. Unlike the Prius, Kia continued to use a 6-speed twin-clutch automatic transmission and we clock a very respectable 0 to 60 mph time in 8.2 seconds. This CityScape green test car also has the option black painted Aeroblades on the side for an even more distinctive look, and unlike the new Prius, this car offers a ton of rear seat head and legroom and SUV-like cargo room. The fully loaded version is priced at just over $36,000. Okay guys, what do you think about 2023 Kia Niro? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.